There are 9 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, and my 3 brothers, and 1 sister, and my wife, and a lovely daughter. And of course, includes me. Okay, we have very, very nice family, or we have very happy family. Okay, demek endi mao meni to'g'rilab tushunami? Endi mishara javob berganda javobimiz there are mancha odam, tushunami? There are 9 people in my family. There are 7 people in my family. Desak bo'ladi. Ular bo'lsa they are my mother, my father, blah 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 blah. So, what about you? How many people are there in your family? And who are they? So ular qaysilar? Tabiqmi? Kimlar? How many? Okay, 7 or 5. Who are they? Like your father, mother, blah 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 blah. Good. So, next question, where do you live? So, where do you live? Okay, where do you live? And narrative process. Maybe you can answer, I live in Kashgar. I'm in Kashgar. Maybe I live in, live at 87 King Street. Okay, we shall live deganimiz bir joyda uzoq mezgil turgan bo'lsanglar shuni live deymiz. I live at 87 King Street. I live at 87 King Street. Men 87 nomerlik nima? Padişah ko'chasida turman. Padişah ko'chasida turman. Demak, endi live deganimiz nima? Desanlar, turmoq, yashamoq, tushunami? And the next question, what does your father do? What does your father do? Hamsa, undaqda dadangiz nima ish qiladi? For example, my father is a businessman. Mening dadam bo'lsa bir savdogar. Misharik savdogar degani businessman deymiz. Undaqda biz ilgari nurg'un kasblarning ismlarini o'tgan shunama. Masalan, engineer, doctor, undan keyin policeman, taxi driver, milkman, postman, right? Air hostess, nurse, like, and also keyboard operators. Maybe you can say, my father is a teacher. So what about your mother? What does your mother do? What does your mother do? Can you answer? You can say, my mother is a teacher. Or my mother is a manager. What does your mother do? What about your father? Okay, good. So, when does your mother or father go to work? When does your mother and father go to work? Maybe most of you answer, well, my father go to work at 8 o'clock, or 7 o'clock, or 7:30, right? And in the morning, right? So when do you go to school? What about you? When do you go to school? When do you go to school? And siz maktabga qachon borasiz? When? Okay. So look, first question. First question is, what do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning? Siz odatda nima ish qilasiz? So, first, usually. Usually deganimiz nima desanlar? Odatda. Usually. So, what do you usually do in the morning? Odatda degan nima ish qilasiz? Maybe you can say, I usually eat breakfast in the morning. Or, men odatda maktabga bormaydi desangiz, nimiz? I usually go to school in the morning, right? I usually go to school in the morning. Yaxshi. Hamda yaracho men odatda qanaqa qildingiz desangiz, masalan, I usually shave in the morning. Yoki odatda nima? Men odatda saqalimni olaman. So what do you usually do? What do you usually do? Answer me. What do you usually do? Okay, nice. Good. And when do you usually have lunch? Okay. When do you usually have lunch? Okay, Michelle, lunch. So when do you usually have lunch? You know, for me, I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. Men odatda soat 1da qanaqa qilaman? Tushlik tomoq yeyman. Misharga lunch degan tushlik tomoq, have deganimiz shu bor deganga men bu yerga ko'chmayman. Nima desanlar? Yemak. Have lunch, tushlik tomoq yemak. Have breakfast, nashta qilmoq. So, what do you usually do in the evening? Amsa odatda kechda nima ish qilasiz? Okay. What do you usually do in the evening? And the bush evening degan vaqt bolalarimiz shu 4:30dan tartib soat 9:10 gacha bo'lgan mush bo'lak vaqtni, demakcha qap-qarong'i chiqib ketkichi bo'lgan arliqni evening deymiz. Okay, what do you usually do in the evening? Maybe I usually do my homework. Men odatda topshiriqimni ishlayman. Shunami? Yana nima ish qilsam? What do you usually do? Okay, maybe I watch a Korean TV show or a Korean TV program or a TV series. Shunami? Har men Koreyaning kinolarni ko'raman. Watch TV, right? I usually watch TV in the evening. Maybe most of you do homework. What do you usually do in the evening? I usually study in the evening. What about next? So, when do you usually go to bed at night? When do you usually go to bed? Hamda go to bed deganda qachon uxlaysiz? Demakchi, karavot qachon borasiz degan gap. Hamda shu uxlatga tayyorlik qilib uxlashga berish. Nima? Night. Bu night degan kecha vaqti shu. Shu 9-10 dan keyin shu uxlaydigan vaqtni nima deymiz? Night deymiz. Bu nima? At night. At night. At night. At night. So, these are the questions. Look, there are more words. Anda bir yere bir neçe yangi so'zlar bor, savollar. Qarab boqaylik. Qarab boqsak, Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day. She does the housework. And the Sawyer xonim har kuni uyda turdi ekan. Uyda turdi ekan yoki uyda turdi ekan. Shunami? Ana stay deganimiz ham qisqa mazgillik bilan turmoq. Shunami? She stays at home every day. U odatda har kuni uyda turdi ekan. She does the housework. Ana misharaka stay deganimiz nima desanlar? Nima desanlar? Bir yerga qanday qilmoq? Turmoq. Bir yerga ko'chib ketmaslik degan gap. Okay. Masalan, stay at home, uyda turmoq. Stay at a hotel, nerede turmoq? Bir mehmonxonada turmoq. Stay at a hotel, bir mehmonxonada yoki mehmonsarayda turmoq. Shunami? Okay, stay at home. And bir yerga home degan nima? Housework degan bir gap bor. Okay, housework. Housework deganimiz nima? Uy ishlari. And bir yerga homework bilan houseworkniki ikkisiniki qanday desanlar, azroq farq bor. And bir yerga home bilan housening farqini chiqarsak bo'ladi, bolalar. Home degan nima? Uy. Bu nima desanlar, qo'limizdagi abstraktni ufqumdagi uy bir oildan derak berdi. Mesela bizim Uygur tilimizden bağı, balam seni bir öylep koysam, şu balla çoğun olup kalganda deydi de, hem de bu öylep koysam degini herkes mi? Balam şu öyünün bahsi düşüptü. Sana bir yürüyüş öydün birini ep çıkıp koyay degen gep emas. Bu nim degen gep. Sana bir xotun epbesem. Senin bir 5 yıl şap koy toy qıp koysam degen gep. Şu öylep koyaş öy degen esemde nima? Bir aylık qıp koysam degen gep. Şu bizdeki yeğimizdeki öy qana desanlar alik abstrakt ne? Endi bir yerge house degen ço desanlar manda 4 dana temi var, to'g'risi var. Mana yani nima deymiz? House deymiz. House degende nima? Pul setib olgani bo'ldi bolalar. Ondan keyin hamda mush xomchim, "Mo'lim, to'y qilsin pul ketadi." Bu pul bo'lsa to'y qilgan bo'lamdi. Shunami? Shunga ma'nonga bir yilqa qo'limizda ufqoma ma home degan. Shu 12 janub shimol taraf bo'lmaydi. Shunga mayaga demaymiz, shu go home lam deymiz. Shunami? Go home uyga berish. Shunami? Go home, ergiz go to home deb olamaymiz. Go home. Shunga homework öyle işlerden tapşırıp şuna ama ayal tapşırık kılayımız bu. Yani housework çı öyle işleri. Şu öğreninki süpürüş, tobalaş, tamak iteş, o boşluğu ne? Housework. Housework. Yani öyle oturduğu ayal boz çı housewife. Okay, housewife. Bu ne böyle sana? Şu öyle ayalı, öyle oturduğu ayal bozsa housewife deyimiz. And the housework bo'lsa, masalan, do the housework. Uy ishlarini qilmak. Ham topshiriq ishlemak bo'lsa, do the homework. Uni do the homework. Do the homework. Good. So what are the 3 ladies doing? Hey, what are the 3 ladies doing? And bu ayal nimish qilyotidu? What are these 3 ladies doing? And bu ayallar nimish qiladi balla? What are they doing? You know, they are having coffee together. Okay, ular nimish qiladi? Birlikda qahva ichyotirmi yari, shunami? They are having coffee together. And nimish yarki together deganimiz nima bilan birlikda. Masalan, go to school together, birlikda qana qilmoq, maktabga bormoq. Drink coffee together, birlikda qahva ichmak. Amsa birlikda so'zmak bo'lsa, swim together. Shunami? Masalan, study English together. Okay. Birlikda qana qilmoq, ingliz tili o'rganmak. Anda demak nima? They often drink tea together. Ular odatda birlikda choy ichadi. Okay. Next one is arrive. Okay, arrive. And the manjiq bala arrive. Arrive deb qo'ydi. Oh no. Herkes ben aklab o'qimaysiz. Arrive desak olmaydi buni. Arrive. Bir intonasiyasi bor buni. Nima birinchi harf nima? Qarasanglar ekan shunami? Qaranglar bu odatda sizlar shu so'ziq tovushlarni, o'lchamdagi o'qishligini olsanglar, qag'an tovush, cho'ngcha tak yo'q, uzuk tovushlar oson. Shunga men bu ingliz tili ilipasi degan narsada 14 qism chiqarib bo'ldik. Hammasi nihoyat tafsili bor. Demak, bu bir a harfi necha xil o'qilganligining hammasi qanday desanglar boshingda. Ayşin siz tepsili ko'rsanglar vahshiy ustob ketisizlar. Qaranglar bari mesela ma'rigan hadisi deb o'qiladi mana birinchisi. Ya'ni deb o'qiladigan bor, ya'ni deb o'qiladiganlar bor. Shunami? Ma'rini qarasanglar o'nidagi o'ttirdagi ismi oyarp, oy o'qiladi. Demak bu arrive. Okay? Arrive. Arrive desak bo'lmaydi. Oxiri qana qilmaydi, talaffuz qilmaydi. Demak bu nima? Arrive. Endi arrive in and arrive at. Meğer mühim nesmi. Bu endigen nima, attigen nima. Qaranglar, ha. Endi bir şerki en, yani birisi at. Shunami? Bu ikkisi kelsak hamda, ma endigen ko'pincha cho'ng bir o'rinlarning oldiga shiltildi. Bu cho'ng bir doira. Bu nim degan gap desanglar, masalan arrived in, masalan arrived in Shanghai, Şanghayga yetib kelmek. Shunami? Endi bu Şanghay desanglar, bu Guilin yo'limi Şanghay, Xalq maydonimi Şanghay, Minhangmi Şanghay, Baoshancho'mi Şanghay. Bu nay cho'ng bir doira. Shunami? Bu shunday cho'ng bir doira bo'lgan ekan hamda. Onun nima? Shu in, shunami? Hamda bu yerga arrive in Hong Kong, arrive in China, arrive in Kashgar. Demek ki bu cho'ng bir doira, shunami? Endi bu yerga at deganimiz ko'rsanglar kichik o'rinliga. Masalan, arrive at the airport. Endi bu airport cho'ng bir shaharga nisbatan qanday kichik. Shunami? Shunda bo'lg'achqa, bu yerga arrive at the airport, arrive at the station, arrive at Xinjiang University, arrive at g'oya. Ammo u qanday at deb buni kichik o'qimaymiz. Arrive at, shunami? Arrive at mush o'rinlarni, bir aniq bo'lgan kichik o'rinlarga nima keldi ekan? At keldi ekan. Demak ham demashadiki, arrive at. Endi men nima? Yana birisi the man arrives on the moon. Endi nima? Ammo shu insonlar nega chiqdi? Shu nimaga? Oy shariga qanday qildi? Yetib bordi.